Welcome you to my channel. My name is the Man of Riches, and this is the Man of Riches Chinese class. Today we are going to learn Chinese daily expressions, some of the Chinese daily expressions. So number one, so if you meet someone and want to tell the person in Chinese is 我想你. So 我想你 simply means I miss you. 我想你. Okay. So in case you want to tell your boyfriend or your girlfriend that I miss you in Chinese, just say 我想你, I miss you. 我想你. 我 means I. 想 means to miss. And then 你 means you. So 我想你, I miss you. Okay? Number two, when you want to compliment someone, that you look beautiful, okay, in Chinese, maybe you have seen a lady who is dressed in a nice outfit, you want to compliment the person, just say 你真漂亮, 你真漂亮. 你 means you. 真 here is an adverb which means very or really, okay, it's really. And then 漂亮 means beautiful, so you really beautiful, you are so beautiful. 你真漂亮, okay. Then how about if you see a guy outside, the guy is dressed in a nice outfit, you want to compliment the person, okay. So handsome in Chinese is 帅, okay, 帅. So even say you are so handsome, okay, you are so handsome in Chinese will be 你真帅, 你真帅, okay. 你 means you, 真 means really, okay, 帅 means handsome. Number four, so here when you want to say I am tired, okay, maybe you have done something, you have gone to work, you came back late, you are tired, you've learned as a student, you have been learning, and at some point you get tired. So to express this in Chinese, you say 我累了, 我累了. 我 means I, 累 means tired, and then la is a particle, okay. So 我累了, I'm tired. 我累了, I'm tired. Yes, you can also say 我很累, okay. 我很累. 很 here is what is an adverb which means very, okay. So I'm very tired. 我很累, okay. But you can't say 我很累了. That is wrong, okay. Right. So the fifth one, which is the last one that I'm going to talk about, is 我知道. 我知道, okay. 我知道 means I know. 我知道 means I know. 我 means I. 知道 means to know. Okay, I know. 我知道, okay. Thank you for watching this amazing episode. My name is the Man of Riches, and this is the Man of Riches Chinese class. If today's the first time watching my channel, please do me the favor to like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, and share. See you in my next episode. Peace out.